Welcome another video tutorial. In this video we will see the API kit, how to use the API kit, how to identify the bacteria, different kinds of bacteria, for example gram positive, gram negative and other bacteria belong to group of Enterobacteriaceae family. First of all, the purpose of API kit. The API kit is multi-test system which is used for the identification of Enterobacteriaceae, more than 5,500 strains, and the gram negative bacteria more than 2,300 strains. Principle: the API kit system is a strip system which contain 20 or even more than 20 tubes or capsules that is partially filled with different kind of biochemical media in the form of dehydrated substrates. Bacterial suspension is added into each tube to rehydrate the media and inoculating them with the same time. Biochemical test in this section will show the color change in the tube either during incubation or after adding the reagents. These color changes reveal the presence or absence of chemical action and show the positive or negative results. After incubation, spontaneous reactions take place in these tubes or these capsules that are present in the strip that do not require the addition of reagent are evaluated first. Then tests require addition of reagents are performed and evaluated. Finally, the results are entered on the result sheet which is present in next slide. We will see how to enter the result. Another test is performed which is known as oxidase test, that is not present in this strip, so that we have to perform separately. This is the strip that is used for the identification of bacteria. Each box contain approximately 36 strips that is used for the identification of 36 bacteria. For example, we want to identify the Enterobacteriaceae. We purchase the kit of Enterobacteriaceae family for Enterobacteriaceae family, and we want to identify the gram positive bacteria. We have to purchase the kit of gram positive bacteria for gram positive bacteria, and when we want to study or identify the gram negative bacteria, we have to purchase the kit of gram negative bacteria, and like that. After adding the reagents into capsule or micro test tubes, we will see the tubes like this, and after incubation we will see the tubes like this that shows the color changes, and some tests are positive in this strip and some are negative. We will see in next slide. The top strip is inoculated. This strip is inoculated, and this strip is this strip is uninoculated. This strip is inoculated. The bottom strip with exception gel is positive for all result. This show the positive result for all. As you can see, this is colorless. Here this shows the yellow color. This is yellow color at in this strip, but in this strip is red color. In this strip this is the yellow color, this is red color, and in this strip this is yellow color, this is blue color, and these all are positive test, positive, show the positive test, and this is negative test you can use for control. This is the sheet that is used for the counting of the test. These are triad, which is used for the identification of first 3 tests, and first 3 tests are the numbers of first 3 tests are added together, form a digit, which is used for the to make a 7-digit code, which is used to identify the bacteria. By using this code we search out the manual having a specific code for a specific bacteria. The API result sheet divide the test into group of 3 like this. Here you can see this group is divided into 3 tests, and after each having a specific code, if the test is positive, for example first test is positive, we will count the 1, and for example second test is negative, we will not count, and third test is positive, we will count the 4 and add together 1 and 4, this makes the 5. We write over in this oval box 5 is written here. Assigning the each number of a group, as you can see here, this is assigning the number of each test 1, 2 and 4, and then numerical value 1 or 2 or 4, these value for positive result in each group are added together to produce single digit number. This number when combined with the other number of the group and produce 7-digit code, then is interpreted using the analytical profile index, which is known as manual, that is given by the company, supplied by the company. Here written, this is the company name that is present in the USA. The result sheet divided into 3 tests groups with the members of the group having numerical value 1, 2 or 4 respectively. These numbers are designed for the positive result only, negative results are not counted. The value for positive result in each group are added together to produce number from 0 to 7, which is entered in the oval below the 3 tests. The total from each group are combined sequentially to produce 7-digit code, which can then interpreted on the analytical profile index. In rare instances, information from 21 tests, 7-digit code is not discriminatory enough to identify an organism. When this occurs, organism is grown and examined on McConaughey agar, and supplemented the tests are performed for nitrate reduction, oxidation reduction of glucose, and motility test is performed. Motility tests are performed. The result are entered separately in the supplemental space on the result sheet and used for the final identification. This is the method how we perform this test. You can say this is the procedure of performing test. First of all, we grow the bacteria. After growing the bacteria, we confirm the culture. For example, we wanna identify the E. coli. Then before Before identification of E. coli, we confirm the Enterobacteriaceae family, because E. coli belong to Enterobacteriaceae family. To test this, quick oxidase test for cytochrome C oxidase may be performed. Pick a single isolated colony from a pure culture and make the suspension of it to sterile distilled water, or evenly. Sometime we use the normal saline, but recommended is distilled water. Take the API kit and remove one strip from the API kit. Contain hydrated biochemical media or chemical reagents in 20 separate compartments. Using a pasture pipette, fill up these compartments, these test tubes, these micro test tubes, these capsules up to brim with the bacterial suspension. Add sterile oil into ADH, LDC, ODC, H2S and URE compartment. Put some drop of water in the tray and put the API test strip and close the tray. Make the tray identification number, for example patient ID, organism ID, date and your initials. Incubate the tray at 37 Celsius for 18 to 24 hours. This is other depiction how to count the numbers in the sheet. These are triad, first triad. For example, these first triads, all tests are positive, then we count the all number together. For example 1 2 4 equal to 7, and reaction here, this is the point, this is the code for each test. For example second test, in second triad we will see the all the tests are negative. We don't count the code because these all tests are negative, so that we write in 3 triad 0, and so on. We using the same formula, we count the all the triad and then we make the 7-digit code which is used to identify the bacteria. This code is present in the manual for a specific bacteria. Result interpretation. For some of the compartments, the color change can be read straight away after 24 hours, but some reagents must be added to them before interpretation. For example, add following reagent to these specific compartments. TDA, put 1 drop of ferric chloride. IND, put 1 drop of Covax reagent, and VP, put 1 drop of 40% QH potassium hydroxide and 1 drop of VP reagent to alpha naphthol. Get the API strip, reading scale, and see the color changes according to color chart, and by making each test as a positive or negative on the lid of the tray. These wells are marked off. These wells are marked off into triple by black triangles for which scores are allocated. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, we will meet next video. Till then, take care.